Well, a slight breeze was blowing through the borderland today, and we'll likely see similar conditions as we inch closer to the holidays and temperatures going above 70 degrees. Joining us now is Chief Meteorologist Doppler Dave Spillman. He is live from First Baptist Church for the Living Christmas Tree Ceremony. Hi, Doppler.
Yeah, Paul, you guys ready for some music here? We're going to get you in the mood for Christmas over at First Baptist Church. As you mentioned, Paul, the Living Christmas Tree, 60 years of doing this. Want to bring in the Minister of Music, Helvin Porflet, and joins us. And here we are, another year. You guys have been practicing since September. You're going to give us a little taste of what you're going to be doing this week. Give us the times and the performance dates.
So Friday at 7 o'clock, and then Saturday 4:30, and then another one at 7, and then Sunday at 4:30.
Okay, so. And the tickets you can't get online anymore, so you got to come here to the church, correct?
Yeah, you can just call front office 533-1465, but the online tickets are gone already.
Okay, and you're going to give us a little taste of what you're going to be performing. Give us the song.
So this is called Christmas Time, and I just want to invite Dottie, come here real quick if you don't mind. Check this out. So this is Dottie. I just met her right now, and she actually sang in the first Living Christmas Tree.
That was 60 years ago.
Yes, it was.
Wow, great.
The tree was a little bit shaky then.
And you're back to watch the performance again.
Absolutely.
Wow, 60 years. That's a long time of putting this thing on. All right. Well, welcome back.
Thank you.
And let's go ahead and hear the song. So, yeah, 60 years, 1965 is when they first started this, and it is ongoing. You can see everybody's ready, so let's listen in.